Do you think I want your nigga? Yes or no? Yes? No, bitch. Your nigga want me. The fat?
Pimple, cover that shit with a peace sign. Dot eyebrows,
Cover that shit with a peace sign.
ugly.
Have you ever had a dream that you want you
You smell like you farted.
Farted.
A beat on the road, F, she retarded.
This bitch called me ugly. I said, bitch, where? She said, under all that makeup. I said, bitch, where?
Chocolate. 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 Ha! Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. Call 911 now!
What's the number? Really, nigga? What's the number?
Don't ever tell me I'm ugly. Cause, bitch, is you blind? I'm not chasing after you. I'm not chasing. I got asthma. I run out of breath easily, so I'm gonna get tired. I'm not chasing.
What?
Bitch, I'm hungry, okay?
Excuse me, listen. What are you doing? You sitting in the house procrastinating. Maybe I'll watch Age of Stars video later on. Maybe I'll watch Age of Stars video.
Hit me one time. Hit me 2 times. Hit me 3 times. Lego.
Kamusta ka?
Ikaw na lang magpakamatay. Gusto pang makita ang anak mo ha?
Boom!
At tinan nyo, yung panumbalot niya may hearts din. Gaya-gaya!
Nanginginig ako.
Pero masarap, di ba? It's not.
Tumagos siya sa mga...
My God, we love PNG, right?
Yes, friendship.
Forever. I love them.
Look at the flick.
These nuts.
Look at the flick.
These nuts.
Look at the flick of their wrist.
Got it!
Look at the flick.
Matisit ba ninyo ang batas ng isang apel?
Bitch, you so nasty!
Pare-pareho kayong lahat!
Ate Holly.
Ikaw! Ate, tama na. Saka ba? Yolanda.
Tira na lang. Yung nangurakot na gobyerno, hindi nila pinagapi.
Yung aircon, nakikijambil, wala ang remote. Isipin mo, dinala nila ang remote.
Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot.
Yung kagandahan ko, ialay ko lang sa Diyos na siya na ang magpaganda sa akin. Kontento na ako sa mukha ko ngayon. O, di ba? Daming mga fans sa kanan.
Wow! Empty words, Monica! Pwede ba, ha? Hindi ako makikipagsindakan sa'yo, kaya kung pwede lang bumalik ka na sa boring mong bahay.
I actually met a girl at the mall.
Oh my God.
And her name is Sasha.
Oh my God, that's Sasha.
She was like, and I was like, wow.
You're making me look like a liar? So I'm a liar. So you're telling me I'm a liar. You really shouted at me, Ate, may pinag-aaral akong tao. Ginanon mo ako, I'm just returning the favor.
22 years of existence, I can say that there is nothing major, problem that I have done in my life. Thank you so much that I am here.
Stefan, kanina, damo lang yan, pero ngayon, puno na sa kanina, nakakrukat ako. Ngayon, pang shampoo commercial, nakatigyan na lahat. Bata pa ako kanina!
Ba't ba ako nagsalita ng ganun? No, ito na lang. Kasi I've been waiting for a sorry. A personal sorry. Ay, konti na lang lalabas na siya. So yun, so perfect. Tapos, ulit!
Queen of Philippine Talk.
Oh, ito boy! Philippine!
Queen of Philippine Talk.
Yay!
And Queen of...
Most Pinoys love the head. Diba? Sinisip-sip talaga yung ulo. Yes! And ang hipon! Ang hipon! Yes! Kasi,
Kasi bababa ako!
You are pretty.
With or without makeup?
Yeah.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Oh, ang swerte ko. Thank you.
Super character.
Super
Talaga? Oo,
Hindi ko
sobra.
na-feel yun. I feel I'm so normal.
So, hindi mo balasahan mo kami.
May pinagdadaanan ka ba? Nagpagupit ka ng buhok na ganyan kasi. Tapos na.
Yes. So, pag ganun, time
So
for
this is a declaration of what? It's over.
Oh my God.
Me? Mag-i-endorse ng ibang shampoo? Naku naman, ang dami ko nang na-try. Pero after 7 years, Pantene lang talagang pumasa sa akin.
Bahay ko to dahil ako ang gumagastos dito. Ako nagbabayad ng ilaw, ako nagbabayad ng tubig. Get out of my house! I don't need a parasite!
I don't need a part-time wife. Kapag gusto sabihin sa'yo, ayaw lang kitang saktan.
Sinasaktan mo na ako. Ano pa bang ginagawa mo sa akin?
Melissa, it's useless trying to talk to you.
Lahat ginawa ko! OMG!
I love you.
Maintain mo lang yung peace. Ganyan ka lang, oh. Calm down. Ngayon, pag provoke ka ulit na ng 3 times, just try it again and again. Ipinaka ko na yung lolo na yan. Puta. Tignan mo yung gagawin ko. Beast mode ako, ha.
Gawin mo. Gawin mo! Hindi kita uulungan!
A woman only becomes a mistress when there's emotional involvement. At wala akong balak mainlove sa'yo.
Sabihin mo muna na kailangan mo ko.
No.
Okay, madali naman akong kausap. Isang gabi makakanood ka sa Bandila. And you hear him answer about you. Alam mo kasi live yun, hindi yun edited.
Impertinente. Huwag mo akong kausapin ng ganyan. Katulong ka lang.